Hello audience, this is Ethiop Computing. I am Sigano Agwata. In this video, I want to show you about arrays in Python. In my previous video, I already prepared a tutorials on pattern drawing using cascaded for loop. I also prepared a video about while loop and about conditional statement about selective statements. So you haven't seen this video, I provided the link below in the description box. And you can also get the links from Ethiop Computing Telegram group. Now let me proceed to today's lesson. Let me create array Python file. Site array dot py. Array dot py. First, we have to import the array library from array import all. This asterisk sign indicates this code imports all libraries and packages of array. Now let me declare one variable v is equals to array, then this is an assigned value. I indicates an assigned value. In for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, -5, -6, 8. We pass this array value. If we want to show the address of the array and how many elements of this array variable has, we can print v dot buffer info. Here it is, and check. That means this is the address of v that holds 7 elements. This is the number of elements available or present in this array. And the other one, for example, if you want to see the type, print v dot type code. Run. I means unassigned integer. So the array value has unassigned integer. For example, if you want to reverse the array, elements, you can write like this. V dot reverse. Simply v dot reverse. And print v or reversed array is v. Let me run. Here it is. The first array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. When we reverse, it will display like this. 8. It starts from the ending element. The other one, for example, if we want to display the array element using its index, and if we want to break the execution if the index value is above the settled value, then you can write like this. Print access the array element until the index value is above presetted number. We use for loop for I in range, for I in range, then length of value, length of the array value, that means V. Length of array value means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If greater than, for example, 5, greater than 5, if greater than 5, print the matrix or the index is greater than the limited value. Greater than presetted value, then break. Finally, after out of if statement, print array value. Print V of, that means V is the variable that holds this array element. V of I. Print V of I. Okay, let me check. Here it is. It will display the array value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to index 5. If the index is greater than 5, it will display the message like this. It will display the message like this. And what about if we want to append new element? If we want to append new element in the array value, already in the given or created array value. Or for example, if we create a new array value, print and value in empty array. Then we declare any, for example, new array, nr or nar, it equals to array, nar is equals to array empty array. It is. Now, if we want to enter the range of the array from keyboard, enter the range of the array from keyboard, array length, for example. Array length is equals to int, it should be integer value. Int input, and enter length of the array. Enter the length of the we determine the length of the array and enter the elements up to the last element of that has up to the last length of the array. We determine the length of the array by entering from the keyboard, and we will enter the array element that much of the length of the array. So we use for loop for I in range. For I in range, array length. This length is the value of the array the value of the length of the array we entered from the keyboard. So now x is equals to, that means x is the value of each individual element we are going to enter from the keyboard. X is equals to int input enter the array element, enter the array element, then new array dot append. New array dot append x. We append insert the value from the keyboard. Finally, we will print new array. Okay, let me check. Now, MC says enter the length of the array. For example, let me enter 6. Enter. Now enter the array element 45. Enter. Now we can enter the element, enter the number from the keyboard until it begins the length, or until it begins 6. 45. Enter. 90. 89. Enter. 78. Enter. And 63. Enter. 52. Enter. Now, immediately after we reach the maximum limit of array length, immediately we order this code to print the value. Okay. The other one, what we are going to do if we want to enter the array element and display the corresponding index. For example, if I want to enter, or if I want to search the index of value or element 89, what I am going to do? So print search the index by entering the element. Now we are going to enter the array element. We are going to enter the array element in which we want to display its index. Now array index, for example, array index. This is the variable name. Is equals to int input there's array element. Its index is searched or to search the corresponding index. To search the corresponding index, we initialize iterator as equals to 0 for element in V. Sorry, what is the element? What is the element? NAR. In NAR. File element equals to NAR. while element is equals to LR if this element is equals to if this element is equals to array index. That means the value of the element entered from the keyword. This is the value of the element we are going to enter from the keyword. And if the element exists in this array is exactly matched with the entered element from the keyword, print concatenates the index that is EL, sorry, that is I, because we want to find or search the value of index. Then after getting the index, no need any expression, so we write break. And finally we make an increment on I plus is equals to 1. Okay, let me start. Integer element, for example, 4 and 12, 23, 54 and 78. Here is the array element 12, 23, 54 and 78. Now I want to search index of some element or index of an element from out of these elements. For example, if I want to search the index of 54, here it is. Concatenate the index, that is 2. 54 is found at index 2, index 0, index 1, and index 2. The other one, what about if you want to enter the element of array from the keyword? That is two-dimensional array. This is all about arrays, some array manipulation or some array execution using Python until we meet and this is all about today's lesson about arrays until we meet by the next video. Have a nice time.